Did you know? Sir Timothy John Berners-Lee, often known as Tim BL, is an English computer scientist credited as the inventor of the World Wide Web. His work established the foundation for what became a global network, transforming access to information and communication. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web while working at CERN, the European Particle Physics Laboratory, in 1989. During his time there, he developed the first web client and server, which enabled the initial functioning of the web. These two milestones in Berners-Lee's career, his identity as the English computer scientist inventor of the World Wide Web, and his specific activity at CERN, where he created the initial web technology, are central to understanding the origins of the Internet as we know it today. The invention of the World Wide Web by Tim Berners-Lee marks a significant point in technology history. His contributions at CERN are a documented part of computer science development during the late 20th century, reflecting a specific instance of innovation. The foundational work on the World Wide Web emphasizes the role of an individual scientist collaborating within a major research institution. Berners-Lee's pioneering efforts occurred within the context of broader scientific exploration at CERN during the period. Did you know? Sir Timothy John Berners-Lee, an English computer scientist, is credited with inventing the World Wide Web. His work fundamentally changed the way information is shared and accessed on the Internet. Sir Tim Berners-Lee created the World Wide Web in 1989 while working at CERN, the European Particle Physics Laboratory. This invention involved writing the first web client and server, enabling communication across the Internet. The development of the World Wide Web took place within an institutional research environment focused on particle physics at CERN. These efforts contributed to establishing a platform that supports global digital interaction. Tim Berners-Lee's role as a British computer scientist includes ongoing contributions to the development and future guidance of the Internet and web technologies. His involvement extends beyond the initial creation to current discussions about digital progress. This chapter outlines foundational facts about Tim Berners-Lee's invention of the World Wide Web and the context of its creation at CERN. Further details will explore related aspects of his work and its impact. Did you know? Sir Timothy John Berners-Lee, born on June 8, 1955, is an English computer scientist best known as the inventor of the World Wide Web. His contribution to computing history is marked by this foundational creation that transformed global information access. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989 while he was working at CERN, the European Particle Physics Laboratory. During this time, he developed the first web client and server, establishing the key technical components necessary for the web to function. The information about Berners-Lee's birth and his invention at CERN provides a clear overview of the key milestones in his scientific career. Together, these facts highlight the origins of the World Wide Web and its creator's background. These details establish the foundational context for understanding the creation and significance of the World Wide Web. Both his identity and workplace played distinct roles in this technological development. The facts presented here form the fundamental basis for exploring further developments related to Tim Berners-Lee and the World Wide Web. This serves as an anchor point for any additional discussion about this topic. Did you know? Sir Timothy John Berners-Lee, also known as Tim BL, is recognized as the English computer scientist who invented the World Wide Web. His contribution to computing fundamentally involves creating the means for interconnected information accessible through the web. While working at CERN, the European Particle Physics Laboratory in 1989, Tim Berners-Lee developed the World Wide Web. During this period, he also authored the initial web client and server, which laid the foundation for what would become the global Internet experience. These two key facts highlight pivotal moments in the genesis of the Internet as it transitioned into the World Wide Web we use today. The creation at CERN and the construction of original web software are central to understanding this technological evolution. The information about the origin and early development of the World Wide Web provides context for the technological infrastructure that supports modern digital communication. Such details frame the foundational work by Berners-Lee in the computing domain during the late 20th century. This chapter outlines Tim Berners-Lee's foundational role and the initial steps taken in the creation of what is now the World Wide Web. It serves as a basis for further exploration of his impact on computer science and digital connectivity.